Asikhulume podcast Thursday namuhla. Thursday, Tuesday I was supposed to shoot i-team yami ayikho guys. I-team yami ayikho. So funa siqhubeke siphushe lo sikucalile. Ukuthi sizophusha. Kaqedwayo ngiyabrookman abaningi bayakhe Brookman legend, one of the legend lesinawo la elokushini. So before sikhuluma nge-legend bakhe, funa sikhulume nge-childhood yakhe ukuthi ungubani uBrookman wakabani. Everything lefana naye. Brookman kunjani na?
Ngiyaphinda
Shap ngicela singasondela kancanyana la emayikhini. Ngoba lana sisemgwaceni vele isound ibalekile ukuthi bakuve. Boma ayi lapha ngathi ngivanga kahle seba repeat yabo. Brookman ngibani Brookman before sikhuluma nge-art yakho nje.
Egama ngiMsero.
Sero. Igama lasekhaya.
Igama ngiMsero. Literally my stage name.
Okay. Yeah. But igama lakho lasekhaya? Musa.
Yeah. Amalubani sibo.
Musa Malubani. Otosi ngoba Musa ukuthi uvele.
Sort of.
Because igama kanje lichaza umuntu
ngiyablanza.
Yeah, mhlawumbe nalo Musa nawo. Yes. Masicedza la ngizothola something ngoba unemusa. Ngibani Musa? If uchazela abantu ngibani Musa ukhula kuphi everything. Take us back before one Sero.
Yeah. Musa. Njengoba sengishilo.
Yeah.
Born Kanyamazane. The family of 5 guys, all musicians. So we last born yakhona.
Yeah.
So ngikholela Kanyamazane. So njengabafana laba eKasi.
Yeah.
Khola ngidala
Yeah.
But ekhaya music, nemagatari ngabhuti wami omkhulu first born esekhaya.
Yeah.
Umuntu lo uthanda music. Afunza music.
Yeah.
Uyunisa, uthenga ama-instruments endlini.
Yeah.
Ma-flute. Kishe yonke iplatora ama-instruments ngikhola around. So mangibuya esikolweni ngiye-boring.
Yeah.
Ngibore Dustin.
Yeah.
Nangibuye Dustin ngendlini ngala music.
Yeah.
Ngala ama-LP, bathenga ama-LP, very it's a musical movie.
Kahle.
Yeah.
So those wena zange ube nesikhathi esinafu sokuthi uhlale nemafowethu like isikhathi sakho nje udlala nje busy ngemusic, busy ngesikole.
Yeah. Bora school of music.
Yeah. So take us back ngikhula ni5 nibafana ni-musician. Ngikhulela kuphi?
Khona la Kanyamazane.
Nikhulelela Kanyamazane.
Khona
experience anga lesimo se-apartheid.
Experience.
Yeah, take us back. Sifuna understand. Yeah, sifuna understand because nathi silotile abantu abaningi.
Yes,
Saphinde zabalimata futhi at the same time.
Literally ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi ngincane.
Yeah.
Ngi-understand.
Ukuthi kwenzekalani?
Yini seva bathi kungaphekula school. Ukuthi yini siphekula school. Asad but siphila kule environment vele. That political
environment
situation, that environment.
Singa-understand
ukuthi uyabona umusa semncane
uyaduma
what.
Yeah.
So but ngiqhamuka vele kuleyo background leyo. That political situation.
Yeah.
Yabona nje emalokishini basa umlilo uNkulunkulu. Yeah, sathengiswa amalahla. Yabona hamba kunelori lehamba ithengisa amalahla. Yeah. Yabona nje leli kungekho igesi. Kungana gesi. So impilo beyinormal that time.
But impilo lapho beyinjani beyicheaper than nyanga I think.
Very cheap. Very cheap. Besikhona kulala ngephalish nebisi.
Bekunoma.
Yeah, that was the norm.
Yeah.
Ungafani nenyanga ukuthi inyama besibona nje ngaleso sikhathi. Ngaleso sikhathi sifikile. Yeah. So bakubambe la spend mandini, at mandini.
Okay.
Ngaleso sikhathi kungakhona.
Yeah.
Life was progressive. Khona esikolweni, khona kubuye esikolweni, ngiye ekhaya kulempilo, ngeporeni. Khala music, yabona music is a therapy. Mawufika endlini, yabona that part. You always sing.
Yeah.
That music, yabona nje wangena ngaleyo ndlela. Mhlala babona bapractice ngala amagatara.
Yeah.
Ngikwathi even ukudlala igatara. That was sinking.
Kahle. So esikoleni like uyaqala kungena because leso sikhathi sibengena ama-preschool. Bengena ama-preschool and everything.
Ma-preschool akhona somehow uba ma-crash.
Ma-crash, yeah.
Use-crash.
Yeah.
Ngikolazi ngifunza khona but angizange ngingene e-preschool.
Yeah, ungene crash. Azawungena
even
crazy.
the
Esikoleni.
yeah ngene esikolweni
Yeah.
ukuthi mina kahle makwami seswatini
Oh, okay.
so ngathi le background yama infantry ngirekhona ngisasemncane
Eswatini.
eSwatini
Yeah.
that up and down in
Yeah.
eSwatini mhlawumbe iminyaka wonke ngibuyile ngala
Eish.
yebo
Yeah.
so mangibuya ngala ngevele time sengicala sengena straight esikoleni ngoba
Yeah.
eSwatini i-environment yakhona nangala
Ayifani.
education kungafani
Yeah. Okay, so ukhula I think ukhula ngani ngemasiko ukhula ngesintu nyana kumbe ngesikholwanyana because ngekasteni vele bengikhula because bagcina banifaka vele le lona lebasifake yona nathi nyalo lesilimo tabo le Bible thing everything you understand.
Yes. For me it was a mixture
Mixture, ne?
because eSwatini
Mm.
literally I was born in Swaziland.
Yeah.
With my mom, she conceived me here.
Yeah.
My mom
Yeah.
and gave birth to me.
Yeah.
Yabona emhlanje ngeke ngisemhlanje ngala ngivakasha ngokhulela gogo yabona
Yeah.
lama situations awafani.
Awafani, yeah, afani.
Impilo yangale nayangala
Yeah.
yabo.
Yeah.
So sikahle kahle ngi-dual citizen.
Yeah.
Ngale citizenship yangale. Nangala yabo. So that mix cultures, nalama environment ahlukile. That was a conflicting situation. Yeah.
So ngiphi environment lokhulu uyithanda? Yaseswatini kumbe yangala South Africa?
Ngimncane kakhulu ngale Swatini.
Awubongaboni kahle.
Yeah, ngale yabona mawuqala ungena isikolo ngibona kuqala kuba ne-lights.
Yeah, ne-lighting.
Yeah, then sing because from lapho kwaba nale stop sokusukela ngisaya. Sinka in the
Education
environment.
yangala.
Yeah, senginebangani sengikhulile ngala ngale bhora esikolweni sebangani uyayibona nje.
Ungena kuphi isikolo ngala?
Ngingena eThandulwazi. Ngale uhlebiyela.
Okay,
Yeah, ngasuke primary.
Yeah.
Uhlebiyela, Thandulwazi, Kalipane, Tembele.
So wena leso sikhathi leso bekusede slate ngibhala ngeslate sengibhala ngelibhuku.
Slate ngibhalile ngaso.
Ubhalile ngaso?
Time ngingena. Le grade yokuqala. Yeah, ngilapho mara bese sifeyila slate ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay.
Sokuqala kutshintsha yabo the political system. Yeah, kancane sokuqala uma babona ko 1976.
Okay.
Yeah, baletu cards. Sokuqala kuba busy. Political uprising or into them, but gradually into them, but they change.
Okay.
Yeah.
So uqala ungena isikolo uthi like if uqala ungena isikolo beyithini like ilona yakho uthi ungena isikolo ngifisa kuba yini esikoleni, what's my purpose ukuthi ngiye esikoleni? Kumbe nje net nawo ubuya ngoba bathi abantu abazali esikoleni mase uanalyze nganyaka
ngaleso sikhathi ngiyawo ukuthi qala ngihamba
nomsindo nina man
qala mhlambe sokungena njengoba ngisho ukuthi lama
environment
music the house yabona ngikho kubuye
dominate kakhulu like ingqondo
kuwe angazi vele ngeke dream ukuthi ngifuna kuba ngudokotela angazi yeah, so that was the musical inclination.
Vele nje kwesikole nje kahle nedi ucuba ukuthi ukhule
esikoleni ngoba kuyiculture vele esikoleni.
Yeah,
but the forces, the outside forces from esikoleni what dominate. Ngoba ngistanda sekoleni.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I remember siqala lo munye bhuti umakhelwane umzakhe amaqala ilona i-club.
Okay.
Ngithi Stars.
In All Stars.
Yeah, now ngaqala ke kuba ku-formation lekhathi serious now sisejimini sesigqoka sengikwathi lokugqoka ikhokho.
Yeah.
Yeah, sesifoma yabona.
Yeah.
Uyahamba batshintsha yatshintsha abayi-cheaper outspec then lapho kwaba serious but still
solo wena ulile
ngendlini ngalendlini ngithola khaligada.
Yeah.
So ngovele ngathi bekudominate.
So nayi into le ngimangatayo kakhulu because nilisiko lasekhaya.
Yeah.
Sekunelisiko langaphandle uma uhamba namgwaqeni asesikoleni. Wena uyaweva la emgwaqeni konke but wena ulapha kule yasekhaya kuze ekhaya udilwa ngale nto yakho, specialize ngale nto yakho.
culture
yeah iculture yasekhaya lokunye ngiyakubona
lokho ngiyakubona kwasemgwaqweni ngiyathanza vele nakhona sengi-used to nakhona nginebangani ngale ukuthi bangi-appreciate ngidala kamnandi ekhaya
nangichubene yasekhaya
likhaya ngathi li-primary source ikhaya ngiko lapha kufunda khona ulala khona kulala cabanga nemorweni hayi ungalambi yodwa ekhaya so ikhaya it's a dominant factor
kahle kahle
empilweni yomuntu
no because kurenya noma uthi uyakubuka ukuthi le nto yemandiya nje ukuthi imandiya wathi vele mawuphuma esikoleni uyosebenza lapha e-wholesale yasekhaya njalo njalo understand so thina ebantwini abamnyama ngathi iyashaya lento that's why inyama ngathi ukuthi all of you musician all of you 5 of you musician ukuthi hey thina kuyathuza ukuthi sonke la ekhaya kufuna sonke sesontweni ngoba la ekhaya kunelisona hayi lomunye uthi hayi mina ngiyisontweni lomunye nini yabona i-politics but nine
and in my situation I cannot fathom how when they because batal bam they were never near
le musical ngilomnaka lomkhulu uqala yonke
influence and labazali bay understand the musicality
mara bona
they were never there but they were supporting over very criticize on indie bawamsindo la indie ngoba indie ngobantu abakholwa
abantu belisona
bangathi bajabulile bahlabelela nje bathi chorus labo so you know the situation ngingathi understand
so kuthi yende kanjani
kuthi njani
so isikolo usambe ufika amabanga langakanani
up to standard 10 ngalesikhathi ukuthi emakhaya
tosive weekly yokugcina bo-standard sokugcina ngaleso sikhathi so September
September but ngafeyila mnyawo ukuthi bese ngitshela ukuthi sengistar kakhulu sengingene kakhulu anginanzaba nesikole mina ngejozi ifisha ngisengibona la
ijozi wena ijozi
usengepursuer le career
le music
sokunela lento le influence inkulu kakhulu ngiyafeyila
lo standard 10
la ngabe sengi-influencer kunemngane amathi nowasibiye
naye bekawufeyilile nomngane
sibeyifeyilile usasigaphasikala
anikaphasanga
lesikhathi ipolitiki upside down vele nasesikoleni lamanye ama-periods yabaleka ngena lo asithembe kambe sifundiswa bilungu ngena lolo ngathi libhuna siyiklasini yabona nje sokuna that-active agenda ukuthi sifeyile but baba nale that emotional boost mental design wasibili manje asengconywana ngelo wangi-influencer angasayicabanga seJozi ngabiyela naye next year ngilasi sisibona sapasa nge-matric and then lapho sesineband lapho it is serious musician performers
so take us back ngeThembeka before sibona ngeThembeka sibona benjani ngeThembeka because bathi it was a boarding school and everything something like that
kusikolo sestate ngoba ibita Thembeka Senior Secondary State School.
Oh, it was a state school.
It was a state school. Mfundisa amabhulu, so kusikolo sestate.
Ma-subject level ka-dominate kakhulu bekini?
Kuya ngokuthi wena esikoleni wena ngihambe ngento kuma-biology, history, nama-general subject, geography, English, Afrikaans, nesizulu Swati esingekho that time
nesizulu
but sifundiswa amanye ama-subjects sifundiswa bilungu uyayibona nje ngiyo lento leya-influence ukuthi kube nala political influence ukuthi sekunala ukuthi sibantu abamnyama bilungu asisabathandi ngale influence ya-1976 and sifundiswa bilungu yabona and some of those teachers namadoda nalabafana bethu abatoleka ibhamu esikoleni
those white people
ade basebatshela ukuthi kumele bathi protect banale esikoleni sokunema-uprising ubona amatoyitoyi sengila qala khona ku-understanda ukuthi i-ANC yini yabona sokuyavuleka yabona
but mawucompara kona those days yenu nanyalo bekungqono ngesikhathi senu bekuwest bekubhetha
bukuphetha besiphila ejele besiphila ngemusa wemabhulu yes
so inyalo okay ngasibofuna khona something
bafuna kubeka nje i-example ukuthi bongamane nje hamba utholakala noma ngikuphi uthombe like nyalo usiyabe singasuka sambe
endrobheni manje
amakuphi akunebelungu khona sengena akayivi mathole kuhlukahlukene
lawo belungu lawo
belungu into letinjalo uhlala nebelungu yabo kule environment
so lapha esikoleni senu labantwana bebelungu bengafundi ngabe benifundisa ngabelungu mara abantwana babo abafundi
abantwana bebelungu ngoba
nethi ngibona labatala
angithi kahle bokuyisystem emabhunu ukuthi bapenetrate emalokishini labelungu labo kufana like bathi imbimbi te uma ngabe banda yabakhona
umqondo womuntu ukuthi
bahambe just khona lapho bareport obvious amabhunu operate njalo
yo but enyalo maranyalo ushuthi ngalesikhathi la amabhunu ngabe abamba the way ayibamba ngakhona mhlambe lethi banciphisa labanciphisa khona mhlambe isimo sekuhlala kahle bese bangqona mawucabanga because into lebenikhala ngayo kakhulu I think in the education system ukuthi konke benifunza mhlambe ngeAfrikaans okunye kwetilo
English bese ikhona after post 76
after the war and yabakhona
actually even before English bekhona bona amabhunu basatshintsha the police wamkiba isale Afrikaans kuze kube khona
le strike
yena kusele yaqhubeka ke nale English
so but because mina ngikhulumela if uhlala nabantu abadzala labaningi bakutshela ukuthi hey bathi swallows why bayifaka le system lengene enyalo because beyaqala cishe beyingcono even if behlukubetana mara beyingcono than bakubona nyalo into yokucala nje le mabhoda awasacontroleki because into limate kakhulu kulamabhoda
i-mentality yethu bantu ukuthi nale government lesibuyo nyalo isimo nyalo singcono kakhulu nethi ngoba sekunale corruption that's why lesekubonakala even uma service deliver yabona besingakade ukuthi kumele uchange ngezi bikhala ikoste man isimanda avalo yabona into njalo service delivery nale lama infrastructure akhona ikontiri ukungagubha gubha ukubona ikontrol we delivering quality that is why abantu bese bakhumbula
lezosikhathi
ukuthi amabhunu angcono ngoba zonke lokhu nabantu abamnyama nyalo bazothi le mazi bafake ekwameni fakana ngebushaka mawufuna umsebenzi sokufuna kwakhisiwa so belungu ngayisebenzisi ngongasebenzisi njalo uyi-transparent yonke into vele ihamba great
but you vote?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So ekhaya uyashuthi badominate kakhulu inkolo. Isintu besingadominate kakhulu.
No, batali bami Christians. Christians, bami bekamfundisi.
Which church?
Pentecost.
Oh, Pentecost.
Yeah, but this branch as
okay.
Culture.
No, okay. Because ngani ngimangala usi mama uchamuka eSwatini because eSwatini dominate kakhulu i-culture.
But yena ngisushadela.
Sekunatshintshe. Inkinga na.
Kudzala bebayi ngathi bebakusana leyo respect noma ushade mfana. Ushiya konke wangu. Angene kulula ekutholako so manje nyala kusendeki nyalo sekuphuma emithetho ukuthi bathi ungathatha nesibongo semfana uyayibona into bese
just imagine indoda senje sibongo so kucedza kwakho complete so suka university
no ngithamba ucomputer wami ngene kakhulu music
wasale wayekela
very my whole mental setup future I'm saying ibona lapho
wekela ibhora wekela everything
that's why it's the back stang so lapho sengibona ifuture yami ezinye sesine band
so ekhaya u-influence yini ukuthi ngiyakuva lo music nawo konke yini lokubona ukuthi kune progress lapha kule nto lena mnake ngicala ngimnake khona ama progress lowabona inayo le progress don't lento lengasenela something
ubaba sekulu ngephandle passion yakhula kakhulu ngoba that time besingakabuzi ukuthi sifuna kugana just ukuthi shit.
Yeah.
From
From enhlitweni, yeah,
from
it's
the heart.
not, it's not.
Yeah, this performance not only good,
Yeah,
but like
yeah,
passion,
yeah, the passion,
this is unique.
yeah.
Every day you have your short and the stuff
Yeah.
together, we travel, everything's literally music.
Music, ne? Okay, just asiyivale le part le cause seyifaka na time nyana cause vele
Yeah.
in the time very sort of sikhuluma ngale music ngiyakubona lokho I know
Impilo yami vele idominate
kakhulu music,
yeah,
yeah,
this is why
music,
everything was
yeah.
based
The music,
noma
yeah.
ngathi personal
Yeah.
kanjani.
Yeah, I know seyivale silanze part 2, yeah.